For our online symposium, we decided to do the topic, Do Cell Phones Affect Sleep?
We chose to use this topic because it is very relatable and something that a lot of people struggle with today. Counting myself, I feel like I speak for the group on that one. It is very relevant to the course, and college students in general found a lot of different connections to the course while doing this. And then our findings and research could also help individuals get like a bigger picture and like visual as to like how much they are actually spending on their phones before bed, and they could further that and do their own research to see like the health issues that it can cause and other ways to help do that.
For literature review, using technology an hour before bed causes sleep problems and complaints among all ages. Passive technology devices were used from higher age groups, including TV, MP3, and radio. Interactive technology devices, such as cell phone, laptops, video games, were used more among the younger generations, which kept them up. Overall, interactive technology led to more sleeping troubles among people than passive ones.
For our method, we used a survey that we made on Google Forms. The total participants were 18 people, and the survey was sent out through social media. Our survey questions were: what is your age range? Where do you keep your phone while you sleep? How do you feel when you wake up? When do you put away your cell phone? Do you use night mode? Do you use Do Not Disturb when going to bed? For our findings and results, we found for the age range, 61% of our participants were 18 to 28 years old. 16.7 was 55 plus, 16.7 was 40 to 50, and 5.6 was 29 to 39. When we asked, where do you keep your phone while sleeping? 83.3 said in room but in reach. 11.1 said in room but out of reach, and 5.6 said in a different room. When we asked, when do you put away your phone? 44.4 said they usually fall asleep with it in their hand. 38.9 said 30 minutes before bed, and 16.7 said 1 hour before bed. When we asked, do you use night mode? 44.4 said yes all the time. 44.4 said I have heard of it but never used it. And 11.1 said, what is that? When we asked, do you use Do Not Disturb when going to bed? 77% said no, but only 22% said yes. When we asked how they felt when they wake up, 66.6 said they were just fine, 27% said they felt a little groggy, and 5.6 said they were wide awake.
Some course connections that really stood out to me were the 3 videos that we had to do before the spring break, I believe. Can too much technology hurt a child's developmental growth? And the excess screen time could be aging kids' eyes. And then the other one was how electronic devices are ruining our sleep. That one really, because of that's exactly what the video is about. And that's what he was really discussing. But the other two kind of go hand in hand with that one. But these connections are able to help support and compare results and findings with what others have already discovered. So they could just kind of help support that and back it up and kind of compare and contrast what others have already found. And I thought the videos were really interesting, which that played a really big part whenever we were choosing our topic as a group.
Based on our findings, the importance of conducting this research was to see if phones are truly affecting human beings and their sleep patterns as researchers say they are. We discovered that the majority of the people that took our survey fall asleep with their phones and feel just fine when waking up. The majority of the people do not use aspects of the phones that help them sleep better, such as Do Not Disturb and night mode. Overall, it was concluded that phones are an important part of life but do not affect many people as we thought it would.
And finally, this is our sources page.